Hi guys, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make cream potato, or you can call it mashed potato. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious cream potato, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give the video a thumbs up, yes, thumbs up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Guys, today I'm cooking 3 different dishes. I'm cooking my pineapple barbecue pork ribs, I'm cooking my cream potato, and my sweet butter corn. So look out for all 3 of these dishes I'll be uploading for the next 3 days. Okay guys, so let me just show you my ingredients for my cream potato. Enjoy. Okay guys, so today we're going to be making some cream potato, or we call it mashed potato. So I just cut up some potato here and I have some salt, so let's put it to boil. So I have my water there boiling, so I'm going to pour in my salt, stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to pour in my potatoes. I'm going to let it boil until the potato is soft. We'll be back. So my potato finished boiling, so I'm going to strain it out and show you guys the next step. So I just strained out my potato and I put it into this bowl. So I have some butter here, and I'm going to mash it up with my potato masher, just like this. Keep on mashing until it's soft. And also I have a little warm milk here, so you're gonna probably put about 2 tablespoons warm milk, and you're gonna keep on mashing it up until it gets soft. Okay, when I finish mashing it up, I'll be back. Okay guys, so my cream potato finished mashing up, so I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see. Okay guys, so this is the end result for the cream potato. What I did, I put it into a bowl and I take a fork and I just mash it down just like this to get this design. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. So we'll be back. So guys, these are my cream potato, or you can call it mashed potatoes. So I just put it in a bowl and I just take the fork and I just mash it down just like this. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Yummy. This is nice. It's very creamy and delicious. So I hope you guys really try the recipe and leave a comment down below and tell me how you guys enjoyed your cream potato or mashed potato. All right, so take care guys, and hope you guys have a blessed day, and please don't forget to like my video and leave a comment down below as well, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and stay blessed. Bye.